channel. Today I'm going to be filming a college weekend in my life, and I've never done one of these, and I really should, because I have been trying to maximize my weekends because my weeks feel so long, but the weekends are so short, so I really want to make the most of it. Today is actually Friday, October 11th, and today's our parents' formal, so I'm really excited for tonight. My parents actually can't come, so it's really just like a formal, but whatever. Exciting regardless. I hear my timer going off. So I was hard boiling some eggs. Here they are. They look so beautiful. I made some eggs for lunch, and I made some more because I was like, why not? Because I have 2 cartons of eggs. So now I'm going to cool them off and making egg salad for lunch. Keeping it real. Gonna cool my eggs and then I'll intro this video. Give the people the content that they want. Subscribe. I'll teach you how to boil some eggs. So, as I was saying, we have our parents' formal tonight. That's when I'm tan. I never get tan. And I'm actually choosing between 2 dresses, one behind me and one over here. I think I'm gonna wear the red one, but maybe, maybe not. So that's gonna go on tonight. I'm gonna do a little bit of homework before then. I'm gonna run over to WEGMANS to drop off some footage. And then tomorrow, I think I'm getting dinner with my mom because she's in town for an event. She might come to some of the Kyle Parents Weekend stuff. And then Sunday, doing a bunch of work. I know LT and I and Liv are gonna go to the gym. We're going shopping, grocery shopping. I need to return something. Need to do a lot of work. I'm gonna go to church. Like, we're doing it all this weekend. Hopefully you guys like videos like this, and if you do, definitely give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. I make college videos, and I'm a second year at the University of Virginia, so if you guys are interested in that too, definitely let me know. Please don't mind my very botched hands. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna put dry shampoo in my hair super quick because I'm straightening it tonight, and generally when I'm straightening it, you can kind of see like when it's greasy. So I used a couple of eggs to make egg salad. I have some leftovers here, and then I put the rest in the fridge. And then I'm also watching Downton Abbey at the moment, and I'm literally obsessed with it. Cannot stop watching it, and it's really preventing me from doing my work, but I'm gonna keep watching it. I'm currently in Jess's car because mine's all the way in the back, so I don't have time to go grab that. Sorry, the AC is so loud. Okay, that's better. I'm running to WEGMANS real quick to drop off the SD cards from all the footage we shot today, and I want to make sure that that's uploaded to the server, but then I also got to run back and get ready for formal because it's 3:53. I have to be ready in an hour and a half, and I haven't done anything, so I need to work on that. Okay, here we are. LT 2.0. Cute Walmart shirts. Last time I guess it was Target.
Yeah.
But
you gotta look. You gotta go to Walmart. You gotta go to Target. You gotta go to TJ Maxx.
Literally looks like freaking Etsy. It's her dress for tonight.
Super
cute. I'm here looking like a freaking Oompa Loompa. Look at these feet right now. We do not look at the feet in the pictures, I guess, unless I guess you're into that.
We're not.
We're gonna cut that out.
You're gonna get a whole new set of subscribers.
Just got back from dropping that off. I actually thought it would take way longer, so that was great. Like I said, did not realize what time it was. So I'm running a little behind. I still have like an hour and 15 to get ready, which is fine. I just like to have extra time. I think I'm actually going to bring my vlog camera to parents' formal. For a couple of reasons. One, because I'm helping our president with the video for house tours, so I have been trying to get clips for that, but also like obviously the vlog, so that would be so fun. I think I'll do it. I'm really hyper right now. I'm not sure why. For hair, I think I'm just going to straighten it. That's usually what I do. Right now it's just like natural and crazy. And then for makeup, I think I'm gonna do a little something shimmery, but not too crazy. I'm like obviously taking off all my makeup first, but I don't know. I think I actually included this in a video like a year ago, maybe 2, about how I straighten my hair, but I do it a very specific way. And I really like the way the like blowout style looks, where your ends are kind of curled, because my hair obviously is not naturally straight. And since it is so thick, it's just like hard to keep straight. And so I like to curl the ends to have it have more movement. Coffee's clearly getting into me, adrenaline mostly. Whew, I just can't stop talking. LT look? Oh!
Is this my new big booty?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
I love it.
If you know, you know. Stunning.
Oh, yeah. They're the comfiest thing in the world. They're
I do want to
Cute.
happening in the moment.
It's like 10:30 right now. We just woke up and hi guys, good morning. It's Saturday morning. I just woke up. It's like 10:30ish and I've been cleaning up my room a little bit, but today I'm just doing a lot less than yesterday, which is really good. I'm still filming for that series that I'm doing, so I'm really excited to do that. And then I might be getting dinner later with my mom because she's in town. And then in between, I'm going to be doing a lot of homework because I have 2 midterms, one on Monday, and that's a very important midterm for my grade. So gotta study for that. And then I also have some other homework to do before Sunday because it's due on Sunday. But yeah, just kind of an average Saturday. At least I'm doing something fun that usually doesn't happen. And my room's a wreck, if you'd believe it. I mean, it only takes 30 seconds. Do you want me? Liv's sleeping on the meatball bed.
This is the meatball bed.
Whenever Liv comes to stay over, we pop her on here with the cheetah leopard blanket, however you want to look at it. And then look at this. Like, what's happening? And of course, Liv is drinking her 0 water.
Crisp.
As
Nothing.
a freaking
Nothing like it.
stream. We just got a new water filter and it is as if you are drinking it straight from the purified fountains of God. So everyone, if you haven't tried 0 water, do it right now. It's fantastic. I just got back from dropping off Liv and I also drove kind of around like the countryside of Charlottesville and had the windows down. It's really nice outside today. It's like 60, so it totally feels like fall. I got to see like the fall foliage, and then I also listened to the new Big Booty mix. I'm unsure about how I feel about it so far, but there were some parts that were really good, so that was nice. Just kind of some time for myself. But now I'm changed. I'm not sure what top I'm gonna wear underneath this sweatshirt, but I'm just wearing this camo sweatshirt from TJ Maxx and then my Lulu Wonder Under leggings. I'm currently headed to the studio to pick up some equipment and continue filming for today. So I got back from filming a little while ago. We actually didn't film today, but we did some other stuff. And to be quite honest, I've been very lazy. Would it be a Megan Kelleher vlog if I didn't like somehow clean my room? Because I feel like my room gets messy so quick. It's not that hard. I just need to like make my bed and put some stuff away. But that will jumpstart me hopefully to do my homework. As I've said 5 times probably in this video so far, I have 2 midterms next week, which honestly I thought I was done with tests for a while because I had like, in one of my last videos the week before, it was literally like I had 4 tests in 1 week and I thought that was the brunt of it and that I was done. But I have 2 midterms this week. My first one's in this baton class that I'm taking, which I absolutely love the class, but I honest to God do not know what they're gonna ask on the exam because the whole class is about JFK and it's supposed to be essays, so I'm like, what am I gonna write about? But I'll figure that out. On Thursday's media studies, which isn't that difficult. It's just we've done a lot of reading and I need to make sure that I understand the meaning of each reading, and then I need to type up my notes and make a study guide, and then I'm gonna make a Quizlet. So it's like, that's not very hard. It's just like a lot of time, so I have to make sure that I'm planning ahead for that. Gonna stop procrastinating and actually clean up. Room is clean, bathroom's clean, and as you guys just saw, I just threw some towels in the laundry. I've had a lot of towels to do, just why not? It literally took 2 minutes. so that's not hard. Right now I'm just going to clean my little coffee mug and load these dishes into the dishwasher. Once I get finished with this and eating, I'm going to actually do my homework because I just can't believe I haven't done any today.
Hi, Megan.
Would you like to say where we're going?
Target?
Yeah.
Because Costco's closed and we didn't know it until we pulled in.
Yep. We were gonna go to Costco to go get some essentials, but alas, it's closed.
I just sit here and take a nap.
This could be a potential spot for when I get this car.
You won't have a car if you vlog while in the car.
And that is the safety tip of the day, everyone.
Oh my god, the double chin, no. It's been a really long couple of months. Look at those circles.
She just got done with her event tonight.
Three events.
Sorry.
In 24 hours.
Yeah.
She's going.
A lot of events. It's been a long 6 months that she's been stressed out.
But it's done.
So now we're celebrating. Oh. So basically we're just celebrating that she's done tonight, and that's as interesting as this update's going to be. Oh, and they just got a new car, so this is going to be my car soon.
Not that soon.
Not that soon, but soon.
One step closer.
One step closer. I'm so excited.
I'm not sure about that. Might be one step back. Might delay the new car. Okay, can you just turn that off?
Okay. I am currently in bed reading my JFK book before I go to sleep, just because 1, I'll fall asleep easier because I'm reading, and 2, I need to read anyways for my exam Monday. Tonight has been super chill. I worked on accounting for a very long time after my mom and I had dinner and everything, and Lauren and I watched a little bit of SNL, and now I'm just reading, trying to get a good night's rest before tomorrow because Liv and I are pretty much gonna spend the whole day together doing work, getting stuff done, being productive, get our haircut tomorrow, which my hair very much needs. Good morning, guys. Right now I'm getting ready to go to the grocery store with Liv. I'm a little late, sorry Liv. It's about 10:30 right now. We're probably gonna go to WEGMANS first and then Trader Joe's, and then we're going to get our haircut at Ulta because they're doing some special deal or whatever for haircuts, so like $20, so why not? Plus my hair looks horrendous. To inform everyone, if you are at the Charlottesville Ulta, please go see Ashley. Can we take a moment for how good my hair looks right now?
So soft.
It's the softest it's ever been. It feels like Lauren Toll's hair feels all the time, and my hair does not feel like that. It's kind of got a middle part going on. I don't think
It's a little bit weird, just not my energy, so
it's not the
fix it.
Yeah. We were gonna go to the gym and now
we're not.
I don't think so. Hey.
Sandy did me right.
That's like makeup for it, I guess. It's driving me bananas.
And so you know 140 minus 84 is 56, and then gross profit is 56.
Currently in my room studying for my midterm tomorrow. I just want to end off the vlog because that's all I'm going to be doing tonight is studying for that, going to bed. Really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do like college, week of my lives, anything having to do with college, definitely give this a thumbs up to let me know, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.